Hello, I'm CG Yan. This is a quick video to show how to render viewports in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use the last setting. We add the color to faces to Monkey Susan. If you want to see how to make it, we can find the tutorial in this channel. Next, we can go to View and then we can find Render Viewports Preview. Click it, and then we can have the pop-up window, the Blender render. Next, we can save as an image. Go to image and we can choose save or save as or save as a copy. I will choose save as. And then we can choose the file location and rename the image. I call it color. And we can choose the file type. For example, we can choose JPEG, PNG, or others. I will keep the default setting. Now we can go to save as image. So we can go to file folder. We got the image from the viewport render. Now I go back to Blender. Actually, we can switch to solid shading mode. We can switch to wireframe mode, and we can select it to make it highlight, and then we can render again. So we can save another image. I will call it to wireframe and save as image. So we can get the image wireframe here. So this is how we can render viewports in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to the channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video.